Very good morning, boys and girls. Hope you are doing good. So, today we are going to start a new concept which is there in page number 20 of your maths textbook, that is forming numbers. So, I am going to start a new concept, forming numbers. Very easy topic. Okay, forming numbers. As the name itself says, we have to form the numbers. That means what they will provide different digits to us, and using the respective digits we have to form the numbers. So there exist three methods to form the numbers. So first one is forming the smallest number. Forming the smallest number. While forming the smallest number, there exist two possibilities. When one digit is 0 and it is not 0. That means in the given digits you will find 0, and in some of the digits you won't find 0. This is one method. And the next one is greatest. Next one is greatest number. Even this carries the same thing. In the digits you will find 0, and in some digits you won't find no 0. Okay, 0 won't be there. And the third method is they will give different kinds of digits, numbers using repetitions. I will explain each of these concepts individually. First I am just giving you brief idea of the concept. Numbers using repetition of digits. That means we will have a chance to repeat the digits given. Repetition of digits. Okay, so let us start each and individual concept and how to write the numbers accordingly. Okay, boys, so let us start the concept of forming the numbers. So please follow me carefully, because this is the chapter which comes again in 5th class as the first chapter. So please follow me carefully throughout the class. So in order to form the numbers what we want, we need some digits. Okay, we need some digits in order to form the numbers. So I will take some digits, and using that what I will do is I will form the smallest number using the digits. Okay, smallest number using the same digits, and the greatest number. Okay, the smallest number and the greatest number. So please follow me. So we are going to form the smallest and the greatest numbers. Look, so first I am taking the digits as 1, 3, 2, 5 and 9. Okay, do you see any zeros in the given digits? No. So if there are no zeros in the given digit, so this is the first method. In the given digits there will not be any zeros. In that case what we have to do is write these digits in ascending order. Okay, so write these digits in ascending order to get the smallest number, and write the given digits in descending order to get the greatest number. Very simple. Okay, so the given digits are 1, 3, 2, 5, 9. Ascending order means, as you know, small to big. In the given digits, what is the first smallest number or digit? 1. And we are done with 1. 3, 2, 5, 9. 2 is the smallest. So 2. Here we are done with 1 and 2. Leftover digits are 3, 5 and 9. In 3, 5 and 9, which is the smallest? 3. Next is only 5 and 9. 5 is the smallest. And lastly 9 is the leftover digit. So when the given digits are not containing 0 in them, we have to simply write the given digits in ascending order to get the smallest number. Now write the same numbers in descending order. Simply we can reverse it to get the descending order. 9, first biggest, second biggest is 5, next biggest is 3, and the next biggest is 2, and the next biggest is 1. So when the digits are given and the digits does not have 0 in them, smallest number will come by writing the digits in ascending order, and the biggest number or the greatest number will come by writing the same in descending order. This is first type. Now I will give you another example which is of type 2. Please follow me carefully. So up to here we are done with first method. Now I am taking the digits, you follow me carefully. I am taking the digits 1, okay, 7, 5, okay, 1, 7, 5, 0, 4, okay. So the digits are 1, 7, 5, 0 and 4, okay, 1, 7, 5, 0 and 4. Now please observe the given digits. Here we don't have any 0 in the digits, but in the new digits I gave, you find 0. Okay, for this kind of digits, how to form the smallest and greatest numbers? Please follow me carefully as I am saying. So whenever you see that kind of situation, first we have to write the given numbers in ascending order only. The given digits in ascending order only. But you will have one condition that, okay, 0 should be in second place always. Okay, of the given digits, if you find 0, that 0 should be in second place. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. So what is that number we can form? 5 digit number only. 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we have to write the given digits in ascending order, but 0 should be in second place. So put 0 in the second place. This condition is applicable for all the digits having 0. Now we are done with 0. Next, 1, 7, 5, 4. In this, which is the smallest? 1. Okay. Next, 7, 5, 4. Which is the smallest? 4. Please be careful. 0 is already occupying the second place. So move to third place. Next, 4 is finished. 5, 7. Of 5 and 7, which is the smallest? 5. And lastly 7. So 1, 0, 4, 5, 7 is the smallest number which we can form using the given digits containing 0. And please be careful. Here next we have to write the greatest number. Okay, the same thing goes. We have to write the given digits in descending order. Simply we have to write descending order, the given digits in descending order to get the greatest number. This placing 0 in the second place is applicable only for writing the smallest number when 0 is there. For greatest number, you can directly write the descending order of the given digits. So start writing 17504, in which what is the first biggest? 7, next biggest 5, and next biggest 4, and next biggest 1, and lastly 0. If you observe, 0 comes to the last. Okay, when 0 is there in the given digits, for smallest number it will come to the second from the left, whereas for the greatest number anyway it comes to the last. Okay, this is the way how we have to write the smallest and greatest numbers using the given digits. I'll move to textbook so that you can understand better. Please follow me. So boys and girls, I am there at page number 21 of your textbook, in which we are going to start activity 6, first Roman. I will solve A and B. C you will write as a homework. So please follow me carefully. Okay, look. Please observe the question carefully. Write the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number using each of the following digits only once. That means for example, look, 4297. How many digits are there? 4 digits. With these 4 digits, we have to make 4-digit number only. Hence, is it required to repeat these numbers or digits? No. So, this condition is very important. That means we have to use 4 or 2 or 9 or 7 only one time. Okay. So, let us see. 4297. As I told, if the given digit does not contain 0, what we have to write, what we have to do to get the smallest number, we have to arrange the given digits in ascending order. That means small to big. Of 4, 2, 9 and 7, what is the smallest number? 2. So 2, we are done with 2. 4, 9, 7, which is the smallest? 4. So 4, 9 and 7, which is the smallest? 7. After 7, we are left with only 9. So 2479 is the smallest 4-digit number that can be formed using the given digits. Now, how to get the greatest? Simply you have to write the descending order of the given digits. So 9, or else simply you can reverse this one also, 7, 4, 2. Okay, this is applicable only when all the digits are different digits and does not contain 0. Okay, now I am moving to B. Look, 1370. Please observe here. Here we are having 0. Then how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means how many places will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, as I told, if in the given digits if you find 0, that 0 should be placed in the second position from left. Okay, so this is always fixed. When you find 0, this condition should be there. Now, what are the leftover digits? 137. So, in 137, which is the smallest? 1. As we are done with second place, we have to move to third place. In 3 and 7, which is the smallest? 3. And lastly, we have 7. Okay. Now, the greatest number. If you don't put this dashes also not a problem. For your understanding only, I am writing this. Now, greatest. Okay, we have to write the given digits in descending order. That means big to small. 1370. What is the biggest? First biggest? 7. After 7, what is the next biggest? 3. After 3, the next biggest is 1, and lastly 0. Okay, so this is the way how we have to write the 4-digit numbers by using the given digits only once. So you do this C1 as homework for today. Okay, so tomorrow I will discuss this so that you can do the rest or the given things as homework tomorrow. This concept is very important. Please revise the same concept and again, especially when you find 0 as one of the digits. Okay, you have to take care while placing that 0 here in the second position. Okay, that's all for today. Have a great day.